Hello, my fellow foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making homemade tortilla chips because last week I showed you how to make guacamole and you can't have guac without tortilla chips. This is a super easy recipe. All you need are 4 ingredients and it's so flavorful. You don't want to miss this, so let's get started.
You'll need tortillas, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
Before we get started with today's recipe, you need to preheat your oven. So preheat it to 425 degrees. All right, guys, now I am so excited. I don't know if you can tell, but this recipe has me bubbly because I found an amazing company that has low-carb, keto-friendly breads. Everything from biscuits to your white bread, loaf bread, and now tortillas. Oh my gosh, y'all. When I saw this, I put like multiple in the cart, crossing fingers that it would work, and it does. So I'm so excited that I have an alternative that helps me maintain my dietary lifestyle and still enjoy the faves that I used to love. So with that being said, I have my cutting board and my tortillas. Look at these. You can't tell me they don't look legit. I'm just saying. We're gonna take a stack of tortillas and we're gonna place them on top of each other. I'm only using 3 because I'm eating for 1, but if you have like a larger party, I would use 8 to 10 tortillas. Grab a knife and you're gonna start by cutting them in 4s. So like a quadrant, right? We're gonna cut it again. Your triangles will look like this. We are going to move this aside. You're gonna grab your sheet pan. I'm using a 1/4 sheet pan, and then I have parchment paper. Line that parchment paper. I'm gonna lay them evenly across the sheet pan. Now that we cut our triangles, it's time to season our tortilla chips. So I'm using my favorite olive oil and I'm gonna drizzle it across the tortillas.
Season with salt and pepper.
It's time to just spread all the seasonings and the olive oil across both sides of your tortillas. Because what's the point of eating if the food's not gonna be good, right? So you wanna make sure it's seasoned because it can get a little bland without a little bit of something, a little bit of oomph. Now that both sides of our tortilla chips are oiled up and seasoned, it's time to put them in the ovens. I personally like my tortilla chips to be golden brown, so I'm gonna let them bake for about 5 to 8 minutes. Fellow foodies, our tortilla chips are done. Y'all know when I get to singing, humming, dancing, like I'm super excited right now. As you can see, the tortilla chips are nice and golden and brown. My favorite part of our videos is when I'm eating. Did you hear the crunch? The crunch! OMG. Because we added that olive oil, that salt and the pepper, it adds a little extra. And if you dunk this into our guacamole, thank me later, okay? When I tell you, this has been a go-to snack for me ever since I started making hero bread companies, tortillas into tortilla chips. It's about to be a whole situation this summer, y'all. Love these. And that's it for this video, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, found any value in it, do me a solid by liking it and sharing this video with others. And if you haven't already joined our foodie tribe, subscribe by clicking that subscribe button below and joining the fam. If you want to see more tortilla-based recipes, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for this recipe and exclusive content. Y'all, as always, it's been real and fun. And as always, happy savoring.